Hi guys! I just made a Blizzard M&M style, and I thought I would go live and show you Oreo style here. So I just put some ice cream in our manual food processor, and I'm just going to sprinkle some Oreos in there. I'm going to put my lid on, and I'm just going to start whipping it up. You can see the ice cream spinning in there. And the Oreos getting popped up. See if we need to press it down at all. Just a little bit. It just makes it so creamy, like instead of just stirring it 1,000 times, you just put it in the processor and it chops it all up. One more time. It's so much fun because like the kids can be very hands-on and do it with you. And you don't have to go to McDonald's or Dairy Queen to get one. Alright, and there you have your McFlurry. Take your blade out. And you can, if it's just you can just eat it right out of the dish. Don't even have to get a second bowl. Or if it is not just you can just transfer it over. You can just see how nice and creamy it is. And that is how you make a Blizzard in the manual food processor. Like I said, I made an M&M one. I made an Oreo one now. I'm sure you can do Reese's Cups as well. I hope you guys have a great summer day. Bye.